from Gizbot, and today we have with us the Alcatel Idol 4 smartphone. So the handset was first showcased in MWC 2016, and after 10 months it's now available in the Indian market at a price of rupees 16,999. The company will sell the smartphone exclusively on Flipkart, and in the package you will get a VR headset and JBL earphones. I'll show you the VR headset in a while. First let's focus on this smartphone. So as you can see, the smartphone is designed quite well. Here we have the glass and metal construction. Here's the metal trim that runs around the smartphone, and up front we have a 5.2-inch 1080p display, which looks quite bright, and the colors also looks quite natural because this is an IPS LCD display. The resolution is 1080 by 1920, so it's a full HD resolution. You will not face any difficulty while reading the content or watching videos on this display. The smartphone is quite compact because unlike other smartphones, it has a 5.2-inch display, so you will not face any difficulty in using the smartphone with one hand. Alcatel Idol 4 is powered by Snapdragon 617 CPU, which we had tested earlier, and it had some heating issues, and I would really like to test whether Alcatel has optimized the handset and improved its heating performance or not. Besides, the smartphone has 3 GB of RAM to support multitasking, and we have Adreno 405 GPU to take care of graphical intensive tasks. There is 16 GB of internal memory that can be expanded by up to 512 GB with the help of micro SD card slot. It's a dual SIM smartphone powered by a 3600 10 mAh battery unit. That's a good size of the battery unit, which can last for a day without any problem. But the actual performance we will test in the upcoming week when we will get the review unit of the smartphone. The highlight of the smartphone is dual stereo speakers, which you will see that here we have a speaker unit, and at the bottom we also have a speaker unit. Besides, the smartphone also has a speaker unit at the rear side. So in total, Alcatel Idol 4 has 3 speaker units. Company says that the smartphone is quite rigid and is built quite well, so you can just throw the smartphone and it will not shatter the glass of the rear side. Besides, another highlight of the smartphone is its boom key that is provided on the right side. This boom key can be programmed to extend the features that you are already using the smartphone. For example, if you are in the music mode, then you just need to press this boom key and it will enhance the bass, the loudness and the clarity of the audio. Besides, if the smartphone is locked and you just need to press the boom key to access the smartphone's camera, so it can be programmed to access the smartphone camera while the smartphone is in standby mode. Besides, let me show you how it can enhance the user interface of the screen by just pressing the boom key. So if I press the boom key, as you can see, the 3D effects are now live on the display. So as you can see, you just need to press this key and it will enhance the features that Alcatel Idol 4 offers you. Here we have the power button. At the down we have the micro USB charging port and a microphone. The antenna grills are also on the bottom, and here we have the boom key, the micro SD, the SIM card tray and the volume rockers. Up top we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone. So the smartphone runs Android 6.1 Marshmallow and will be available by today itself on Flipkart at a price point of rupees 16,999. It overall seems quite a nice package because Alcatel Idol 4 does also include this VR headset in the package that you are looking at the screen right now. So the VR package is also included, which makes this a nice combo for users who love to watch multimedia content on their smartphone. You can just place the smartphone in this VR, and here's how you can just place the handset. You can just plug the metal glass over it, and it's ready to offer virtual reality tour to you. You can just experience virtual reality content, download applications from the Google Play Store, and have a good time with the smartphone. So this is another highlight of the smartphone. As you can see, if you just open the smartphone, unlock the smartphone from any side, the user interface shifts to that side. So you can just turn the smartphone this side, and here we have the user interface modified for the usage. We also have the JBL earphones with us right now. So as you can see, the package also includes the JBL earphones. Let me show you how the 13 megapixel rear camera of this smartphone works in real life. Let me take a picture for you. So here's the picture that I just shot with the Alcatel Idol 4 13 megapixel rear camera. As you can see, the clarity is good, and even the detailing is also fine on this 13 megapixel rear camera. Let me show you the 8 megapixel front camera of the handset. Yeah, so here we have the 8 megapixel front camera of the smartphone. We'll show you how the quality of this front camera works. It's not that good, it's decent, but not the best shooter in the sub 20,000 price category. Besides, the smartphone looks quite decent and will offer a nice package for users who love to watch VR content and are looking for a handset that has high quality earphones in the package. It will fight against the likes of Laiko's La Max 2 and the Motorola's Moto G4 Plus. Here we have different modes. The smartphone can shoot panorama. We also have a manual mode. Besides, we have a slow motion mode here, a micro video. That's the new thing. We will test it once we get the smartphone for review. So this is the Alcatel Idol 4, launched in India today at a price of rupees 16,999. Do let us know how you feel about this smartphone and the video. You can subscribe to our Gizbot YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off from Gizbot. Have a good day.